this on the top. Hold on, let me show this. This is the whole entire your precision glue. You're gonna pull the red cap off, the top off. That will take you to access to the needles part, and take this red off.
Don't lose it.
Don't lose this red cap, because it's gonna help you, you know, close completely your precision glue. Protects it in a nice place, and it's helping prevent from spilling. Okay, back to the question. I'm sorry. So when you doing this set, and I will always consult with the clients first. Either we'll consult it through their social media. They can call in. We can get them some picture, and they can send us some picture of that they prefer. And with this, it starts on $75 first. You can do general of the nails, or you can break it down to a different part. Here for 60 seconds first, and I'm gonna answer the question for this hand.
Okay.
Let's make sure. And you're gonna break it to like a different techniques you have going on. 1, 2, 3 techniques, which is the first, it will be in your your weaver gel. The second technique is your pigment. The third techniques that you're using on this is your crystal placement. So 3 of them. And if the client is doing a weaver gels, and weaver gel will start from $5, and then if you're doing a pigment, 60 second pigment, it's gonna be extra $2 more, so it's $7 each nails on just without crystal placement. So then this crystal placements right here is start from $10 to $15 on one nails. It's really depend on the salon though. Like $10, $15. It's like a $10 without the beads, and $15 with the beads dressing up on. So like for instance, if this one simple will be extra is $7 for this, $7, and then will be 15, so $22 per nails, each nails. If you want to break it down, but then the client says, oh, I really like the neons, but I really want the pigment too, but I like have my price range at $15.